Okay.
No, we do that.
Spit it out, loco.
Why don't you look at the phone with me? You literally, you gotta be shitting me like, oh, here go man!